Hey Scribers, in this video I want to go over resequencing and renaming chapters and sections. This is a pretty good video for just showing both functionality of using a report live and in the field, as well as customizing your template. So let's actually just start a new report, and I'm going to use my basic residential template that I use every day. And I'll start out just showing how you would add chapters or sections for a live job. So let's say I'm out on a job and a building has two subpanels. I can go under my subpanel section, I can hit copy section, now I've got another subpanel. I can rename that panel. We could call this garage sub panel, right? And again, how you could add another one. You could, again, this is the three dots within the section, and you can copy section, right? So we could add another one and call this studio subpanel, right? We can do that all day long. So we could also do this to a whole chapter. So let's go down to my water heater chapter, and we will copy chapter, and now we've got two water heater chapters, right? You could also do this within a section, so we could delete that, and then under water heaters you could actually just copy the section, right? So super easy, copying and deleting sections and renaming them. Hopefully you've got that. So now let's talk about resequencing them, and this is probably starting to get more towards like template changes you might make. So chapters can just be dragged around. So if I want garage above decks, I can grab it and just bring it up there. So easy to resequence chapters and rename them, right? We could call this main garage, right? And then it'll pick it up over here once we retitle that. So, and then we could move it up above. So you see how flexible that is. Now let's say we want to resequence the sections within here. So that to do that, we open up the pen up here, and then this gives us all these little equal signs, and we can drag things around. It does get hard making long drags. So one of the techniques I'll use, if I had something all the way at the bottom of my chapters list that I wanted near the top somewhere, I actually might grab the chapter and move it up right next to where I want it. So maybe I want to move something from the structure into grounds. Then I'd hit the equal signs, and then I could drag it in, and it's just a lot easier. It's a little tip. So I hope that helps. That is resequencing and renaming chapters and sections. Now the final piece of this is, if you're doing this just for a specific job, you do not need to hit save template, and we would encourage you not to hit save template, because if you do, the next time you start this template, in this case my residential template, I would have main garage. So again, you don't need to save any of this for doing a live job. The only reason to hit save template is if you're saving this chapters, sections, sequence of things for the next time you recall the template. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this helps.